Man, what an extremely volatile 24 hours that the cryptocurrency market has had, yet Shiba Inu Coin bouncing off support levels beautifully right now and at least maintaining the current price action. Now we know that the crypto market is going to pick up in volatility in the coming days because April 19th, April 20th is the expected Bitcoin halving. And as people prepare and as people brace, especially more conservative traders, they may begin to exit some positions as they don't want to deal with that volatility. That is fine, that is healthy, that is expected. Now let's talk about some Shiba Inu Coin price action and some Shiba Inu Coin technicals, because we did break down below that, the symmetrical triangle or the wedge pattern that a lot of people have been discussing lately. So let's talk about what's next, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2024 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, I want to give a shout out, or a huge shout out, to the sponsor of today's video, BetX Casino. If you guys missed the video that I did on them a couple of days ago, they are building a very, very awesome casino where you guys can go out, play some games, have some fun, and actually earn a lot of cryptocurrency before the launch date. Now it gets even better because on the launch date, this pre-sale is still in the extreme early stages. You are going to be more than 3x increasing from the current price to the launch price. A $500 investment would turn into a $1,666 investment from the current price to the launch date. So make sure you guys check them out. And if you do decide to get in, let them know that Clay Bro sent you. But I want to talk, I also want to say thank you. Thank you to everybody utilizing the Amazon link for the Bro merch, the SHIB merch, but specifically for those of you that are using that link to just buy anything off of Amazon, because you guys are contributing to the entire Shiba Inu Coin community. Anything that you buy, if you open Amazon through one of those links down there, scroll up to the top, search for, like you normally would use Amazon, anything you buy generates roughly a 1 to a 1.5% commission on average. Some things are lower, some things are higher, but it averages out to be about those levels, and I burn that. So if you guys are out there spending $100, you can expect $1, $1.50 to be burned in Shiba Inu Coin. It is Amazon's profit that we are burning. It is the most sustainable and most scalable way to burn Shiba Inu Coin that I have found so far. So make sure to utilize and share that link as much as you guys can, and thank you very much for using that. Now listen to this article here. It says Shiba Inu Coin breaks down dramatically. The rest of the crypto market did as well, so we're going to talk about it. It's not just SHIB breaking down. Uniswap is in a free fall, and the next support for Cardano, it lands on major support. So let's talk about what's going on here. The market's bullish recovery began a few days ago. It seems to have ended abruptly. It goes on to say that Shiba Inu Coin's price fell to crucial levels around 2,700 and then fell below that line, slipping out of the symmetrical triangle pattern. This movement is quite problematic since it is a pattern that typically serves as sturdy support. The breakdown from this formation may very well chart the course for Shiba Inu Coin's future. Looking at the chart, we can see that Shiba Inu Coin's price drop below the symmetrical triangle indicates a bearish outlook. This triangle, acting as a consolidation zone before the breakout, has held as support, giving hope of an upward reversal. Now breached, the level around 2,700 points per coin might turn into resistance. If the price struggles to climb back above this line, it could confirm the start of a downtrend. In the current scenario, there's a potential for further decline, with the next level of support lying at 2,400 points per coin, where buyers might step in and halt the drop, which is exactly what they have done. Guys, the price of Shiba Inu Coin right now sitting at 2,466 points per coin. Bitcoin stopped falling, Ethereum stopped falling, SHIB stopped falling, and it's all bouncing back. Now, I want to say this, okay? These articles, these reporters, people are very emotional in the cryptocurrency space, and if you just pull out to a daily chart, you can see that we tested these exact levels last week. We're no worse off than we were last week. And as a matter of fact, you really can see that the prices of crypto, Shiba Inu Coin included, but you're talking Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on, they haven't even really begun to curve over yet. They're simply testing support levels and testing resistance levels. It's almost like we're forming a horizontal channel where levels around 2,400 points per coin hold up for SHIB and levels around 2,800 points per coin hold up as resistance. So it is still okay in the current stages. I truly believe that what we're experiencing has a lot to do with political situations across the globe, yes, but it also has to deal with uncertainty surrounding the Bitcoin halving. It says, for growth to re-enter the conversation, Shiba Inu Coin needs to reclaim its position inside the triangle and the target with the upper boundary potentially around 3,000 points per coin. A solid close above this level on increased volume could shift the narrative back to a bullish one, possibly setting Shiba Inu Coin up for a climb towards higher resistance levels. Now, I'm not going to go too much into this next portion of the article here that talks about Uniswap's problematic decline, but you should be aware of this if you're not already. Uniswap's price is in a problematic decline as the market reacts to the the recent notice from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC. The notification has caused outflows from the exchange, causing concerns about the platform's regulatory standing and token's future. Guys, the SEC, they have lost case after case after case. They do not care to regulate the cryptocurrency market. Uniswap, listen, these DeFi exchanges are beautiful in nature. Why? Because they are not governed by one person. They are not governed by one entity. They are governed by the market. And the market dictates who is successful, who stays. And when you breed efficiency through market competition, that is the best type of, environment that you could create. Uniswap is not a U.S. entity. Uniswap does have offices in New York, absolutely, but Uniswap is decentralized in nature. And the SEC here in the United States has taken it upon themselves to become the modern-day mafia, and anybody who is simply not paying their fee, they're getting their knees broken. They're getting sent to court. They're going to get tied up in legal battles that last half a decade to a decade. And it's absolute, utter nonsense. Gary Gensler knows better, but Gary Gensler is the leader of the modern-day mafia, and it's absolutely disgusting to see that, and I'm not going to dive further into what they're talking about with the SEC and Uniswap there, but it's not just Shiba Inu Coin that is falling. The overall market taking a hit on political uncertainty and everything that's going on overseas, the market taking a hit, of course, because of conservative investors withdrawing before the Bitcoin halving, and it will bounce back. I want to know what you guys think about it down in the comments, and if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance, free Discord, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Let's get started.